This simulation is going to run, and I want you to notice and observe what's happening and try to figure out how we get day and night. So what is the relationship between the sun and the earth? So here we can see that the earth is rotating, right? We know that the earth spins. The line is showing the direction that it goes in. I want you to think about how long it takes to do a full rotation. Now it shows the sun. Pointing out different things that happen. And I want you to figure out why it's happening and what the relationship and patterns are.